What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, and of course, welcome to your daily update on Tellor or TRB. We're at it again. We're going to do a full update on Tellor. What's next from here? Obviously, yesterday we were still very bullish. Got a bullish breakout above that $31 level indicated before. Got very minor resistance there in the end, and got up to our next price targets between $34 and $35, where it's finding resistance right now. But to be fair, I mean, it's nowhere near bearish yet. I mean, at some point of time, as most of you know, my analysis is that TRB is going to crash hard. But at this point of time, you just have to wait for confirmation. I mean, the funding rate on TRB has been so high. Like it has been around 2% or minus 2% for I think the last week or so, right? So if you short it right now, you're going to lose. So you have to wait for that. You have to wait for that funding rate to drop down, which will probably drop down together with the price. But for now, that's not happening. All right. So we'll do a full update on what's possible from here. Can I get up to that level right here around $39 and $41, or simply said $40? We'll talk about all of that. Before we do that, though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I will definitely tell you when I will short TRB. The link to that is down in the description. There I share my own trades as signals. You also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guides. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's focus on TRB. So the main indication of that TRB is done would be a bearish breakout below this level right here at $28. That's the last support right now. If that breaks, like if we really get a 4-hour close below that level, then it's most likely that it will fall down towards $22 and ultimately all the way down to, let's say, 18 and 17.5, or probably even lower if you assume that the market is going to be bearish at some point of time again. So it's the main thing to analyze is when that will happen, right? And if it's likely to get a bearish breakout below $28 right now, which technically it just isn't, because technically what's usually the case is that if a crypto is manipulated like this, the most likely scenario is always that it will continue. All right, it just is, according to my experience. So it's still most likely that TRB from here breaks above its main resistance at $35 and continues up towards $40, which is the next main resistance level. Historically, that's a strong resistance level. You also have some Fibonacci levels there. And basically, it's even like between like $40 and $45, the entire level. So that's a strong level. It's going to find resistance there. If it's going to fall from there, nobody knows. Like, again, the main thing to watch right now for TRB, which it's a little bit late in the video that we are getting to this, but it is very important, is the following. And that is this, all right? If you go to some other statistics on TRB, including the volume and the open interest, what you'll see is that that actually dropped down quite massively yesterday evening. Now, I must say that it's now already back up, so it's still continuing going up, but you can see that it's no longer in that uptrend where it was. Now, in the last couple of, in the last hour or so, it has continued going up. It's around the all-time highs right now. So the thing is that if this keeps going up, TRB will continue going up as well. If this starts dropping down massively, so if the volume starts dropping down towards, well, let's say on CoinMarketCap, if it starts dropping down towards $60 million, then the chances get higher and higher that TRB will fall below $28 and get that crash. But for now, like even the open interest and the volume are still very high. So there's absolutely no indication of bearish momentum coming. Usually when bearish momentum comes, it comes very quickly. So be wary of that. But like I said, for now, still the most likely scenario is that it will continue going up. And until the volume and the open interest drop down significantly, it's not going to crash below $28. So that's my take on it for now. That's my full update. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.